Hey, welcome to Recreation USA. Let's take a quick look at this brand new 2027 Forest River Sierra 396 RKLR destination trailer. Rear kitchen, front bathroom, king bed slide, extended stay package, triple AC system. The ultimate residential style layout. Only at the East Coast's #1 dealer searching for a 2027 Forest River Sierra 396 RKLR in South Carolina or anywhere across the Southeast. This is the high-end destination trailer setup you have been waiting for. Featuring a spacious rear kitchen with a bar and stools, this layout is designed for comfort and extended living. Because we order custom elite spec inventory, this unit comes fully upgraded with the extended stay package, a third AC with power saver system, and stabilizer jacks to ensure total comfort at any destination. Come make this camper yours today. Give us a call at 843-2151800.